locking it, ticking it and tucking it. When you see me waist fat enough, you ask me, got me glocking it. So me I say, aye, them for know the Kinglish. And I think them unique and distinguished. Right now with the youth sound studio, go on with the vibes and things. I say, you gonna take that sound? Yeah. You gonna do it? Some boy can understand themselves and know some of the gangsters roll out. And a pretty things. You see me I deal with? Because of them. Yeah. Alright. Me not sell my soul. No, for the diamond or no gold. Oh no, that's not the way me roll. Me a work hard for my own in the cold. Yeah. Even though the system set away, I got to find me a getaway. So me two son them can grow better way. Me not sell out, we got a better pay. Me not sell my soul. For the diamond or no gold. No, that's not the way me roll. Me a work hard for my own in the cold. Yeah. Even though the system set away, I got to find me a getaway. So me two son them can grow better way. Me not sell out, me get a better pay. Me never got nobody to turn to. When me growing up, me never have a home. And no skin me could have pepper and burn to. Every day me could have shop with me crowd. But me choose good over evil. And on me God me never move with the crowd. Me wish enough you did follow with me go. That a way them mama would have proud. But them just a run down vanity. And the hype make them lose them soul. Them go lost the love for humanity. And I care about the young or the old. But me never lose my sanity. And me never follow everything me told. And even though me live in a sin city, no me nah make my pride get stalled. Oh no, me nah sell my soul. Locking it.